Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I have a unboxing of the Beoplay HX by Bang & Olufsen. I've got the maroon color here and the timber color over here. We'll be boxing the maroon color. Now before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel relies completely on your subscriptions, watching my videos and liking them. So if you'd like to see my work continue, please do like, watch and subscribe. Let's get this unboxing underway. Let's look at the box first. Pretty standard Bang & Olufsen, a bit too much information, not like the Beoplay H95. If you want to look at the unboxing of that, it'll be on the top right hand corner of the screen. Okay, so that's opened up. Okay, that's what you get. Let's get this boy out. That's the timber, that's how it looks like. All right, so very soft, same sort of feel that you get with the H9. Right? Very soft feeling material there, foam. That's the Bang & Olufsen's headphones, and that's basically it. Inside you get the quick start guide that you normally get with headphones. They've changed it quite a bit. These supersede the H9, so they've changed it quite a bit. If you want to see what the box looked like with the H9, click on the top right hand. Alright, so a little bit of information on how to get it going, HX support and all that. Alright, let's get all of this out of the way. Now, you guys might be aware with the H9s, they came just like with a cloth bag and nothing else. So it's really nice to see a nice fabric case, okay? And wow, it wasn't closed all the way. It was open like this. I don't know what's this for. It makes it look really cheap, but anyways, maybe they're trying to be sophisticated with that. Alright, so I like it. It's not bad inside, not too shabby at all. Right, so this is what's new. Everything would be right. So you've got the USB-C to USB charging cable and the headphone jack. You do not get a airplane adapter anymore, even though you get it with the H95s. All right, let's look at the headphones. So first thing, all of them, the H9, HX, H95, all of them have the lamb calf leather. It's so luxurious and soft, and it's still, I believe, this open. Yep, so this still opens up the same way as a H9 would, and they look exactly the same with the slant interior. So you line up that little dot over there with this little dot over here to close it. Let's see if I can close it on first try. I never seem to get it. Okay, there you go. All right, so beautiful maroon color, and you get a bit more soft up here, a bit softer. These cups, to my eye, look a bit pinkish, maroonish kind of thing. Okay, just taking those off. Okay, that's the only bit of plastic on there, which is still disappointing to see, but it's so gorgeous. Look at that. How can you not like it? Alright guys, comment below. What do you think about the color? Would you go for this or the timber? And also let me know, what do you think about the H95s and their price? And if you want to see me do a comparison of both. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.